we dream of someone.
Does that, could that mean also the person is aware that we have dreamed of him?
If you see a person in dream,
Yes.
do you see him?
No, does he also know that he has been seen?
Does he also know?
Yes.
That's what I missed. Does he also know that you have seen him?
Yes.
Sometimes it happens. Amazingly, it has happened with me as well. That I have seen somebody in dream, and that person has seen me in dream and exactly with the same subject. So it's amazing. It can happen, but it's not usual. It may happen if Allah so wills. Otherwise, when you see somebody in dream, then he may not be he may be totally unaware of your dream.